Classical French braid. Brush through your hair to get all the tangles out and make it soft, smooth and ready to braid. For a single braid going down the back of your head, brush your hair backwards. Start the process by gathering a big chunk 3 to 4 inches wide from the top center of your head. You start with a small section, but the braid grows thicker as you add more hair. Once you have your first section of hair, use your fingers to split it up into 3 equal parts. Now that you have the beginning stitches, you can start adding hair into the braid. Keep braiding in this manner until you have added all outside hair to the braid. It is very important that the side portions of hair cross under the middle. This is what gives the classic French braid its signature pop-out look. From the right side of your head, add in a new section of hair to the right side portion of hair. Once this new piece of hair is incorporated into the right portion, cross the entire right portion under the middle portion of hair. Do the same procedure with the left portion of hair. Add it to the left portion of hair and cross it under the middle portion of hair. Now, with all of your hair incorporated either into the braid or into the 3 braiding portions, once some hair starts fraying from the braid, use an elastic hair tie to secure and finish the braid. You can use a clear elastic tie if you have blonde hair, or a black hair tie if you have dark hair. Once you've gotten the basics of a traditional braid down, you could try a French lace braid. It's intricate, which may appear complicated. Creating your own French braid is a simple process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family.